But the first time I came to Sparta, I was like, this is it. It's inspirational to be and work in an environment like this. The great thing about a small town, and I'm sure it's particularly true about Sparta, is people really appreciate you here.
For somebody to come in and to get some appreciation of how this comes about, and that these finished products go through all these different steps and all these different processes before you actually finally put it on the card and put it out.
They really enjoy that they see the finished product out here, but they can look over that desk and see it all in pieces and it's all dirty and scratched. When you buy something here, you've bought a one-of-a-kind piece that nobody else, anywhere else, they may have something that looks similar, but it is not exactly like your piece.
Sparta is a small town, and so we were really fortunate to have a collaboration of artists, most of them full-time professional artists that have chosen to live here from all over. I think they are drawn to the small town atmosphere.
The work itself is so much fun, and that was really what hooked me on becoming a glass blower to begin with. Flowers have become such an integral part of my life. You know, I've almost come to define myself by them, and now I've been doing them now for about 40 years.
The different things in life that I've done have all kind of come together to help, because I do the clay work and then also I work with metal, so it all comes back to you, and it's nice when you can kind of reflect back on how you learned it.
To be on the Blue Ridge Craft Trails is really exciting, because to have an organization that really wants to hit, you know, this region of North Carolina and wants to market us, get the word out. This is a great opportunity for us to be a part of that community too.
So it's wonderful being an artist, period. It's just a bonus to be in a place like Sparta.